In this video, I'll be sharing with you guys all the jobs that you don't need an LMIA for to apply to work in Canada. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Dems. If you don't know who I am, I'm a Jamaican who migrated to Canada in 2019, and I take pride in sharing my journey so that other persons can benefit from my story, benefit from my experience, and as I learn it, I share it. If you're new here guys, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button and become a part of the channel. Smash a like on the video and drop a comment guys. So let's talk about it a little bit. So there is a program that came out in June 2023, June 15 to be exact, and this program is scheduled to last for 2 years. Now what this program is, I think this program is a game changer for persons who speak French. Now if it is that you are bilingual or if you speak French, you do not need an LMIA in order to apply for a work permit. As long as you have a valid job offer in Canada, you can apply for your work permit as long as you're able to prove that you know French. The employer does not need to apply for a LMIA, but what they would have to do is to pay for a compliance fee. Now the compliance fee is anywhere between $200 to $300 per year. That's the only fee that the employer would need to pay. So if it is that you speak French, there is a wonderful opportunity for you guys to come to Canada, work in Canada without a LMIA restriction in finding a job in order to get a work permit. As it is now, if you come as a visitor, you get a valid job offer, you don't even have to leave Canada in order to apply for your work permit. But there's some things that I want to point out about this program as well. Now, you cannot live in the province of Quebec. As long as you're living outside of Quebec, you're eligible for this program as long as you speak French. Now guys, I'm not an immigration consultant, not an immigration affiliate. I've never worked in immigration in my life, but what I do, I share experiences as I get it. If you need to know more about this program and you need somebody to help you with this program, you can reach out to our immigration consultant partner, Benston Immigration Consulting, link in the description right down below. Check it out and she will definitely help you guys apply for this program at a reasonable cost, and you guys can definitely start your Canadian journey that way. So again, just to recap, if it is that you speak French or if it is that you are bilingual and you want to migrate to Canada, you do not need an LMIA job offer in order to apply for your work permit. You can, any job offer you get, as long as the employer pays the compliance fee, you are eligible to apply for your work permit. Now I think this is a game-changing opportunity for a lot of persons, because there's a lot of persons, especially in Jamaica, the Caribbean, Africa, different parts of the world. As long as you speak French, you are eligible for a work permit even if it's not LMIA approved. Now guys, if that is information that is vital to you, please smash a like on the video, and even if it's not, still smash a like on the video. It really helps out the video so that this video can go to the people who really can benefit from it. Okay guys, now let's talk about other ways you can get a job or a work permit in Canada without an LMIA. So there are two industries that are LMIA exempt. So it simply means that if you get a job offer within these industries, the job offer doesn't need to be LMIA in order for you to apply for your work permit. One such industry is a charity or volunteer organization. Now it's very important to note guys that there's stipulation with each program. For example, if it is that you get a job offer within a charity organization, it has to be a job offer that partakes in the purpose of the organization. For example, if you get a job offer to say you're admin assistant, you might not be eligible. But if you get a job offer to say community support liaison, go into the community and actually do part of what the charity or the non-profit, not-for-profit or the volunteer organization does, then you are 100% eligible. So in other words, the job offer has to be a part of what the charity organization does, counseling youths, whatever the case may be. As long as it is a part of the mandate of the organization, then it's LMIA exempt. Now if it's just a regular job like a cashier or an admin assistant or whatever, you might not be eligible. But as long as the job offer is a part of the mandate of what the volunteer organization does, then you might be eligible for LMIA exemption. Very important to know that. Now, the other organization that is LMIA exempt is a religious organization. So if you're a Christian and you get a job in a church or whatever religion you are of, and you get a job within that organization, or I'm not sure what to call it, it's LMIA exempt, right? A lot of persons don't know that. A lot of persons don't know that if it is that you get a job within a religious group, it is LMIA exempt and you're able to apply for your work permit even though the employer doesn't have an LMIA approval, right? Smash a like on the video if that's information that can be useful to you. And again, guys, don't hesitate to share the video so that other persons can get this information that might be very, very beneficial for them on their immigration journey. So let's talk a little bit about what the LMIA is briefly for all the persons who are new. So LMIA really stands for Labor Market Impact Assessment, which is when a Canadian employer applies to Service Canada to say, hey, you know what, I got this position or these positions within my organization and I'm finding it difficult to fill. So I would love the opportunity to be able to hire foreign nationals to fill this position. They pay a fee and they go through a process, and then Service Canada or RRCC will determine if it is that this organization actually tried to fill that position with Canadian and permanent residents or persons with a valid work permit before giving them an approval. So that's what an LMIA is. A lot of companies do have LMIA, but unfortunately it's not something that is readily available on the internet. So if you look at the internet, you might not be able to find a list of companies with LMIA approval unless you really dig deep down into it. And there's a lot of scams as well. A lot of companies are selling LMIAs as well. So you have to decide what it is that you want to do, right? But luckily, with these programs that we just spoke about, they are all LMIA exempt. If you speak French, you don't need an LMIA. Employer just needs to pay a compliance fee. Speak French or bilingual, same thing. If it is that you get a job within a charity organization and your job offer really partakes in what the charity organization really does, LMIA exempt. If it is that you get a job within a religious organization, LMIA exempt. Guys, I think that's vital information, and if you think it's vital information as well, let me know in the comment section. Let me know if it is that you had this information already, or if this information will be beneficial to you, or what's your process, what's your migration journey like. I'm always interested to know that so that other persons can benefit and also learn from all of our experiences, right? Again, guys, I'm not an immigration consultant, not an immigration affiliate, lawyer, nothing of the sort. Everything I say here is based on research and my own personal experience. If it is that you guys need help with any immigration journey, whatever the process may be, you can check out Benston Immigration Consulting. The link is in the description right down below. You can definitely rest assured that you will be getting that one-on-one attention that your application deserves. That will give you the best chance to succeed in your Canadian journey. Okay, guys, so again, check out all the links in the description. If you haven't subscribed already, just take a second to subscribe to the channel. And all the returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for being here. Please, before you leave, smash a like on the video and drop a comment. Alright, guys, thank you again for watching this video all the way to the end. See you guys in the next video, hopefully with another update. Alright, guys.